So yes, peeps, it's your boy Olifire 777. Yes, and tonight, Friday night, I reach home and yeah, someday with some Maggie. Same about Maggie. Some Grace pumpkin noodle and some Jamaican jerk season. Yeah, I got some local tomato. I'm dropping tomato already. I have some local tomatoes. Get some water same time so I can wash the tomatoes. So let's have me take it out to drop. I got some local tomato. I got carrot, thyme, one more tomato, piece of pumpkin, and one Irish potato, which I'm gonna use piece of it. But it's a huge one, so I'm not gonna use all of it. And I got piece of onion, because the onion is very large, and Excelsior water crackers, Jamaican Excelsior water crackers. And I have a piece of sweet pepper or bell pepper. And I have two Dr. Fish. Let's see if I see it good. That tape? Yeah, that tape. Two Dr. Fish. You know, Jamaicans love Dr. Fish. Jamaican man love Dr. Fish. We love Dr. Fish. We love Dr. Fish. Love Dr. Fish. So, I'm going to look about some steamed fish and crackers. It's a long time I don't get Dr. Fish like this. So, I make the best of it, peeps. Normally a grunt or snapper I get. Yeah, so get Dr. Fish tonight. I did it quick and fast. Cut up my pumpkin. Yes, and I go peel the pumpkin. Peel a banana and peel a pumpkin. Remember that song? Me have two holes in my yard. One a cracker, one a hen. But the cracker put me in a problem. Remember that song there? Back in the them days there. Yeah, so peel the pumpkin. And cut it up small, quick and fast. Yeah, so it's steam quick. Yeah. Quick and fast, yes. And my carrot. What's this carrot? I scrape the carrot and I peel it, just scrape the carrot. But you know, the carrot then it hurts. You know what the pan it really, so I scrape the carrot. Yeah, and those since night peeps, may I tell the youth them say I'm the best when it come on to cooking fish. People don't really cook fish to please me. Actually steam fish. But the thing is, other people in the Caribbean, in Cayman Island also, and they don't look about natural fish, as in fresh fish caught here in Cayman. Yeah, a lot of them don't look about that. They look about the imported fish. And I hate the imported fish because I can tell the difference. When I get so used to the local one, whenever time you come across the imported one, you know it. When it fry, it's tough. It's like rubber. It's not nice. And when it come on to steamed fish, I don't normally eat steamed fish from people. When I Rocky Point I go, when I eat steamed fish from people. Because my son family members in Rocky Point, they are very good when they come on to fish. Wow, mosquito bite my peeps. Mosquito then come out. But I don't know, we're in the kitchen. I have to have a spray today. It's a Friday night. Yeah, mosquito not in the kitchen peeps. I beat up myself. Peeps. So this is local tomato. I buy some for the longest while now. And have it. And this is local sweet pepper too. You notice how it's small, it's not big and ugly. It's a local sweet pepper also. The onion, you know, onion is imported. The onion is imported, yes. I'll do it fast, same here. Yeah. Yeah. Knife kind of dull too. Knife needs sharpening. Yes, people, so when you see me in the kitchen, yeah, a lot of people use a counter and whatever, but before I use the counter, I normally clean it off completely. Yeah. Before I use it. So whatever drop I can also take it off it. Yeah, the practice become perfect, but not perfect. My practice become normal. So when you practice to look about your stuff and look about it clean, it become normal even when you're looking about it for people. Yeah. Yeah, and then we have here Irish. The Irish give it a nice body, you know? Yeah. Bring another flavor to it, even though it's an imported Irish. Different from the Jamaican Irish. Jamaican Irish nice, but you know, can't get none if you use the imported one. Yeah, cut it small so it's steam quick. But I'm gonna put on the vegetable first and let it cook out and then put in. Because them fish here, they steam very fast. Easy, it's steam. Quick and fast it's steam. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna cut my finger. So now, put piece of thyme in here. I stop at the corner store and get a piece of thyme and get some thyme. I love smell the thyme too. Just love smell it. I love to smell the thyme. Back in Jamaica now, if I'm steaming fish in the kitchen and I have little weed, aka ganja, I just cut up the same way and throw it nice. Yeah. And then now I use my braised pumpkin noodle in it. Yeah, also give it a good nice little flavor. Not gonna use all of it. No need to use all of it. And then I have my other natural season, which is this taste of pepper. This hot, so you can't use too much. Otherwise, the fish gonna be too hot. Yeah. But this is some Dr. fish, as I said, peeps. This is some Dr. fish. Yes, peeps, I'm coming in late. Reach home late. After 8, I reach home, so you know, I get a bath. Because one thing I love to cook before me eat, because after eating, trust me, I might not feel like having a bath again. So I make sure I get a bath first before I eat. Yeah. Well, we need a little bit more in seasoning. Yeah. Just like that. So now, yeah, it's ready. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take out the fish them first and just put the season, natural season, to steam a bit, and then I put the fish in it. Yeah, so let me light it. Blaze up the fire. Blaze up the fire. Please smash up a lighter. Some piece. See? Too much ice make waste. Ouch. Too much ice make waste. When I have water in the kitchen, I use it up. So now I have this is not wine peeps, this is natural. This is natural coconut oil. Jamaican, not coconut, Cayman coconut oil, as in coconut oil, natural. I like to use this more than use them what they call vegetable oil, because I don't know what kind of vegetable make oil, honestly. What kind of vegetable make oil? I don't know. So if you guys know, let me know what kind of vegetable make oil. Yes, Steve, tell me what kind of vegetable make oil. Because I don't have an idea. So I pour a little bit of the oil in there. Coconut oil, and trust me, the coconut oil gives the food a flavor. Yeah, nice. Extremely nice. You see peeps? It's my doctor fish, look there. Follow their foreign and can't eat a doctor fish. I eat it for me own. Yeah. How that was Ernest? Yeah. I look about some doctor fish, you know? Yeah, I must get two. Two alone me get. And I fish them. Yeah.
Some doctor.
Wait, and last week and this week. Last week and this week. And last week and this week. Yeah, you give me for last week and this week. I'm part of it. So yes, peeps, the oil too hot because I was talking. So I had to take off the oil off of the fire. Hear that? Not realize I have the pot on the fire peeps and I talk. Now I realize. Let's deal with it quick and fast, peeps. Alright. Yeah. Quick and fast. So let's take out the spoon. Pick up yourself, Miss Juliet. Miss Juliet Campbell. Dig up yourself. Put them spoon here. Yeah. So just throw some water in it now. Normally when I use coconut milk, but it's too late now. I have time to go blend coconut, you know. So let's put it in this. Yeah, let this go and simmer down. Control the temper. When that simmer down, cook a bit, then you put in the fish in there. Yeah. Because if you put the fish in there, fish will go too soft or cook too tender, and then you go mash out. So you have to wait until the season cook a bit. So anyway, peeps, take a stay. So when the season cook a little bit more, put in the fish, give fish 5 minutes, then you put in the crackers. You can't stay, don't go nowhere. So yes, peeps, the pot is ready now for the fish. The pot is ready for the fish. Pot is ready for the fish, peeps. The pot ready now. So, show now what go on in the pot. Let's see what go on. What they go on in the pot. See what they go on in the pot? Yeah. That's what they go on. I'm talking like people from Mobile. That they go on that they go on in the pot. That they go on in the pot. I'm gonna be a people big up on yourself. You know no chat bad already. You know no chat bad from Mobile. You know no chat bad. Empress big up yourself. Keisha big up on yourself. When you come from Mobile. Hey, trouble. Alright, see that peeps? Yeah. So on my fish here now, my fish here steam pretty fast. So we'll make sure turn the fire down. Cover the pot good. Yeah. So it steams slowly, very slowly. As they would say in Kenya, polo polo means slowly, slowly. That's Swahili. Polo polo. Yeah, they say polo polo in Swahili. That means slowly. Alright, peeps. So let me wash out back them stuff here. No, that's just water in this. Let me wash out. I was gonna say again, big up Miss Juliet for that spoon here. Yeah. And the fork. Yeah. And the other thing there. Big up yourself, Miss Juliet. So, wash out back them here now. So next time I catch you on the back, and once I put the crackers in my pot, stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. So yes, peeps, time for the crackers now. The crackers ready for going in the pot. Yeah. So I fish them practically cook. Or steam rather. Yeah. So now I'm gonna use it all like this. I'm gonna use enough. Yeah. And look how that rich, people. Look on that. Look at the gravy. It is so rich. So I'm gonna give this about 3 minutes. And that's it. And I wanna trouble the fish them because I want to break them up. Yeah. About 3 minutes. Turn on the stove. Yeah. Look at that. About 3 minutes. And it's ready. Steam fish and no okra in night, peeps. No okra, but nice because a doctor fish. Just stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. On fire, hold the fire. So yes, peeps, now it's sharing time. Sharing time. Eat nice and clean. Share everything on you always. Yeah. So it's sharing time, peeps. My crackers and fish. And Dr. Fish. Yeah. And then fish you hardly can steam them fish here and get it come out whole because they're very soft, but I did just that because I'm an expert, you know. Yeah. And it's like about after 9 now, going to 10, and I'm just having my Friday night dinner. It's, yeah, look at that. Look at that. Sure, not so good. Yeah. Look at that, peeps. Look at this. Look at this. It's my Dr. Fish. Cheers. Mm. Mm. Dr. Fish, peeps. Mm. Actually, I get them yesterday. It's never been in the fridge too long. Mm. Very tender, because they're very easy to steam. So delicious. What say, peeps? It's after 9 now. Yeah, going to 10 now. And I'm just having dinner. But anyhow, thank you for watching and liking and sharing and commenting and subscribing and telling a friend to tell a friend. Get what I'm saying? And the best place to live upon the Caribbean is on a Caribbean island. You get everything fresh. No preservative, no additive, no processed food. Yes, we get processed food, but you don't have to eat processed food. You can get natural. So you can live natural. And natural is very affordable. Very affordable. So, thank you all for watching and liking and sharing and commenting and subscribing. Enough love. And remember, love yourself first. And do unto others as you love them do unto you. Love, love, and love abundantly. So I'm going to get a seat and sit properly and watch something on YouTube. Okay. And I know watch movies that are into YouTube. So, yes, peeps, I'm hungry. So I'm going to sit and eat comfortable. So until next time, big up on yourself. One fire, all fire. Love what you do and do what you love. And do it to the best of your ability. Peace.